Isn't that pretty?
Many colors.
It has lots of colors?
Yeah.
What colors do you see?
Blue.
No?
I see green. And I see pink. And I see pink. I see blue. And I see yellow. How about orange and purple? I see red. And I see lots of colors.
You did?
Yeah. Mom, I see lots of colors on the rainbow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Well, that looks like that second rainbow's just about disappeared. So is the first one.
Tell the rainbow bye-bye. It's leaving.
Yeah, it's fading away.
Bye, rainbow.
Yep, I used to kind of see it like go like that.
Say,
Disappearing. Thrown away.
say bye, rainbow.
It's right there. It's
Say
disappearing.
see you another day.
It's disappearing. It's over there. See it?
Kitty.
Yeah, we saw the whole rainbow, but it disappeared.
You okay?
It's disappearing.
It'll come back.
Going inside, Kitty?
It come back after it stopped raining.
Say bye.
All rainbow stuff.
Come on, let's go in.
Lily, we're gonna see a rainbow, another rainbow when the storm stops.
What?
It's okay.
What's wrong?
There's a rainbow. You'll see it. Lily, you'll see it. I still see some of it. My pet. Lily, when it's done
No.
raining, there'll be another rainbow.
We need to go in.
It'll be huge, and you can
Say
see
bye.
it. You'll see it again. It'll come back. It loves you. That's why it came back to see you.
Say bye, rainbow.
Oh my God.
Keep filming this. Keep filming this. Lily, are you sad? Are you sad?
Wasn't that pretty?
It was
Lily, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. It's gonna come back.
Okay, let's go in. Okay, we'll see the rainbow later.
Come here, we'll see it really fast before it goes by. That's mine. Can I play with it? No. 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 No, Shania. Are we okay? Shania's playing with my bubbles.